In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Netflix Proxy Detected on iPhone or iPad. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So if this happens, it means that Netflix has flagged your IP address as originating from a VPN, proxy, or unblocker service. Even if you aren't intentionally using a VPN, your privacy features or your home network settings can trigger this. So what you want to do firstly is disable iCloud Private Relay. This is going to mask your IP address to protect your privacy, but Netflix often flags these relay IPs as proxies. So what you want to do is go over to your settings at the very top, and then go over to your name at the very top of your settings, then go over to iCloud. Once you're in iCloud, you're going to see a lot of different things, but tap Private Relay if you see that as one of the options, and go ahead and disable it. Then restart Netflix and try again. And what you could also do is go over to your settings again. So I'm just going to go back, then go over to General. And then once you're in General, go to VPN and Device Management, which is going to be towards the bottom. And then if you have any that say connected or active, toggle them off because you don't want that, enabled. And what you could also do is a quick network refresh as well. So on your router, unplug your internet router for 30 seconds, and when it reboots, your internet service provider will likely assign you a fresh, clean IP address. What you could also do is go over to settings and then Wi-Fi and then configure your DNS and make it something manual. So we'll go back and do that. So go to Wi-Fi, press these three little dots, and then you want to just change your DNS. So right there, you can basically configure it and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through. But you might find something you didn't know about yet.